So guys, this is 12 a.m. This is 12 a.m. and let's them trade on gold this morning. Yeah, this is gold. So guys, the reason why I'm making this video is for you to see how I trade live, like live trade. You understand? Now you see that this early morning, this block here now, this block you're seeing, the one down, this other block here that you're seeing, you can see this block here now, this particular block I just draw here. If you look at this region, you will see that there's an impulsive movement of the market. It just went up. As the market opened, it went up, giving us a break of structure from this area. Are you seeing it? From this area there's a break of structure. See the impulsive movement. So there's an other block there. So this zone I drew here now for the day is now a demand zone. It's now a demand zone, which is our support zone. Now if price break out from this our support zone, then we'll know that this market will be a sell. But if as long as price remains like this above this our zone, we'll know that this market is going to buy. So that is how it's going to be now. So as it is like this now, for me this market is going to be a buy. But until this market price breaks this region, then I will now know that it's a sell market. Okay, now know that it's a sell market. Now let's just watch how price is going to respect and act on this region. Then we see how it plays, because forex trading is all about market structure. So let's see how it's going to play. Because if you look at this region here, over here, you will realize now from this region now, you will see now that price rejected that this particular place. Price reject it. That is our zone. So price rejected. Price went up, test our region, then came back again. Are you seeing that? Came back again. So this market is going to be a buy as long as it has crossed this zone, came back down again. It's just like a break of structure from the weekly time frame. A break of structure, then it's coming back again to test the zone before it moves up again. So you see how it's going to play. Let's just see how it's going to be. Although we are not God that knows where price is going to, but by the help of technical analysis, we will know where the price is going to. Okay, let's just watch as it's going to play. Already I've already taken a buy trade already. I've already taken a buy trade, but I will set my stop loss below this zone at 39.57, just 59.57 and 39.57.92, just that region. I will just set my stop loss there. But I know that the price will move up. The price is going to move up. Although the market movement is not fast this morning, as time goes on, you see how the movement is going to be. Okay guys, price is already pushing up. Price is already pushing up. You see now that price is respecting that particular zone. So if eventually you can also, those of you that normally use channel or base trade, this is the right time for you to use your base trade or your base strategy or your channel strategy. Or most of you that use trend line strategy, you can use trend line strategy for this particular one now. As you can see, if we are going to use trend line, you will know that this market is going to buy, because your people that are using trend line strategy is already they have set their buy trade now. Okay, let's just see how. Let me just look for an instrument here that I will use to draw my trend line. Not over here. Trend lines. Okay, this is trend line. Okay, people that have taken people that are making use of this thing, trend line strategy. Oh yeah, look at, they have taken their buy trade already. This is trend line. This is a trend line strategy. So now is the perfect time to take a buy trade, guys. This is a perfect time to take a buy trade. Now that is it for the trend line. Okay, that is it for the trend line. I see the breakout there now to show you that this one is a confirmation, another confirmation of a buy trade. See, you see now the price will continue to push up from that particular. You see, is what I'm saying. It's what I'm saying. That price is going to push up from that particular region. It will push up to this region now and break this particular region. You see to that. It will push up now and break that particular region. You see what is happening? You see what is happening? You see what is happening? You see, I took a buy trade. Are you seeing, guys? I'm in $2.7. Although I use a small lot size so that I will not lose money, big money. Are you seeing, guys? Are you seeing what is happening? Wow, guys, the market is still buying. Market will a little bit respect that zone. It will drop a little before it moves up again. That zone. Okay. It will break it out. It will pull it out. Let me see. It ought to respect that zone because that zone is a portable zone. I said it. It will respect that particular zone. It will respect the zone, then give us a bearish candlestick before pushing upward. This is 1 minute time frame of gold. Give us a little bearish candlestick. Yes, because that's a portable zone. Before it would because it's respecting that zone. Okay, it's respecting the zone. It will break it down. Price is just respecting that zone. But nevertheless, it will still break it. It will still break the zone and go up because market is going to buy today. It will still break it and push upward. Let me charge my phone. My phone is not that. Okay, it has broken. It has broken that thing. To go up. Let me see. This must be my network. I see $3. $3. 3.46. Ogbe. Price is just respecting that zone, but I know that it will still proceed up. Let me remove this trend line. There's no need for the trend line. If you even look at it now, see this market. Now, this is how to trade. You look for impulsive movements. This impulsive movement now is something that you use to confirm your trades. You understand? Something that you use to confirm your trades. Like as you see in this region now, you can see an impulsive movement from this region. See now, you see the impulsive movement. See how price moved from here, went up. Is a sign that there is this zone now. This zone now has value. This zone now has value for this trade. So see how price move up, went up there. To show how price is respecting that zone. This impulsive movement now it will be the force that this price move from this region to this region now. Will be the same force that it will use from here now and break out this thing and start moving upward. Until maybe in time to come, maybe towards the afternoon, it might sell and break this zone. And maybe start to sell. If it will sell low. Don't do that. It has already broken the zone. Although market today is going to buy, it's still buying. Let me check for other markets. Let's see Ethereum Classic, Ethereum USD. Although Ethereum Classic and Ethereum USD, they are all the same. Sixth, which means today should be 7th, which means they have not started. They should start from 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Wait, let me see something. Wow, this trade, this will still buy, because although Ethereum USD will still buy. Ethereum USD will still buy. Go back to our 1 minute chart. Let's see. Exactly. I don't know why this is always popping up. Closing somebody's market. Move forward. Sorry guys, I went to get something. Now you see how price is moving. Are you seeing something? Now the only way you can know how to trade is when you begin to understand market structure. If you can't understand market structure, since I've been trading, this is my 5 years now in forex. Like for a whole 5 years. For a whole 5 years, right from 20, if I'm not mistaken, 2020, 2021, as of 2021 to this 2025, I've been beating around the bush in forex trading, because you don't trade with indicators. You don't trade with indicators, because indicators won't give you what you want. Indicators won't make you earn good profit in forex market. So I don't even use indicators. I use technical analysis, because one who is using an indicator is different from one who is using technical analysis or fundamental analysis. You see how price is respecting that particular zone. When price was at this region, I was like, price will move up. Price moved up with a long candlestick. You see this long candlestick here is a sign of this long candlestick where you see so. Now sign say price go up today. You can still make the same impulsive movement for this area. All this in a sign say market go move upward. But our attention is not for the sell. Our attention is for the buy, because if you look at this market from this range to this range, you will see that buyers are much. If you come to this range now, the buyers are much. If you count the buyers, you will see that the buyers are much. When they talk about volume, market volume, and what is the other one? Let's just call it market volume. You see how the volume from here increased, went up, drop to this region, went up again, go down, went up. Look how the market is making higher high, low, high, low, and higher high. So the market is moving upward. So that is it. Now we can also draw a trend line, just to build your confidence in this thing. We can determine where this market will sell from, the future of this market. And how can we do that? Is by determining the the price, where the price make the first demand, just like in this zone now. This is the demand. We will start from the last candlestick that create this impulsive movement, which is our zone, which is our zone, our order block. Now from this our order block, now this candlestick, now we will draw a trend line to determine contact with the price movement. Okay, let me just do that so that you know what I'm talking about. You see what price is doing? You see how price is moving upward. Excuse me, let me go and check something. Okay, I'm back. Okay, see guys, there is a way you will determine the movement of this price. Now just watch. Like I said before, you bring your trend line. From this region where move it. Okay, that's what I'm saying. From that beginning of the zone where the price make impulsive movement, let it lap the candle. It from the tip of the first candle. Is it hitting the tip? Okay, let's just leave it like that. Just leave it like that. Just leave it like that. Okay. Now with this trend line, I will know where the market will sell from. I will know where the market will start selling from. Then I will take a sell trade. You see how I drew it? Let me just zoom it so that you know what I'm talking about. You see now? You see? You see that price? That price is moving upward. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? So you see this now? It's what I'm doing. Maybe in the afternoon period, this market will sell. You see? This is about 6 o'clock in the evening. Is it 6 o'clock in the morning? Okay, that will be in the morning. If price reach this point, it will sell. You see what I will leave it like this so that you will know what I'm talking about. You will know that this thing I'm teaching you is not a joke. I've been studying price movement. I've been studying price structure, market structure rather, for years now. So you know what I know what I'm talking about. It's not a joke. But if eventually price did not hit this trend line again to break it, the market will continue to buy you until the market gets there and start dropping. Ooh. Okay, guys. Later I will give you an update concerning the price movement. Maybe later I will give you updates concerning price movement. For today, I think we'll just go. I will just go for a break. Let me go out. Wow, $6. Close position. So later the day I will still notify you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Please follow me on YouTube. Like my videos so that I'll be making more videos like this. Follow me on Facebook at Eric FX, Eric Forex Trading, at Facebook Eric Forex Trading, Eric Forex Trading also at YouTube, my YouTube channel.